Hello my Kotlin heroes, my name is Galaxy. We are gonna talk about the conditional statement in Kotlin. Let's get started. Let me open Android Studio and the episode is 5. So I'm gonna create a new package, episode 5. Then I'm gonna just copy previous example and paste it over here and give it the name conditional statement example, then hit OK, and I'm just gonna remove unnecessary code from the previous episode. Okay, let's get started for the conditional statement. So why do we need conditional statement? Let me give you the real world example. On YouTube, if you hit 1000 subscribers, then you can monetize, right? So it is a kind of a condition. If some argument met, then you can say you can monetize because you have 1000 subscribers, otherwise you cannot monetize. And the other example, if you are eligible to vote, then you must be 18 years old. For my country it is 18 years old. I don't know about your country. So you can write the condition like, if your age is 18, you are eligible for voting, otherwise you cannot vote. You can express this kind of real world things in the programming. So let's get started. I'll give you the example by typing. Well, in the Kotlin programming language, for the conditional statement they have given you the special keyword. It is if, else and when statement. So let's talk about it. I'll write over here if conditional statement if else then when statement. Let me give you the example how we use the if statement. Just let me create a variable val subscriber count is equal to 1000. Then you can write a statement in Kotlin if and the condition within the bracket. The if is the result keyword and you write your condition in between this bracket. Then you say it like subscriber count is greater or equal to, this greater and equal to is the operator, is greater than 1000. Then you can say it like, you can print it log.I, then followed by the tag, and you can say it like you can monetize on YouTube. Let's say if you have like 900 subscriber count, then the condition will not met. You can just hover over here. It will tell you that the condition is always false, so it will not print out anything. If you say it like 1000, 1001, then the condition has met and it becomes always true and it will print out the log. Let's run it. Let's check out the log. Alright, I forgot to run this class. So to do that, just go to Android manifest over here and just change it to episode 4, episode 5, yeah. Then conditional statement example. Then you hit run again and your program will run. Now you can see you can monetize on YouTube. It's because of this statement. The log has been printed because it has made the condition. Okay, you got the notion of it. Now let's move to the if else condition. So when some condition is met, you can say the condition has met, you can do this, otherwise you cannot do this. You just go and do other stuff. So in Kotlin you can say it like, if subscriber count is less than 1000, then you can say please make more video. Otherwise there is a else statement, then you can say your subscriber likes your videos, please make more content. So I need to give a tag. Then if I just say it like 500 subscriber count, when I run it, then you can see please make more videos, because I have the subscriber count less than 500. When I print it, it prints the output please make more videos, because the subscriber count is 500 and it checks this condition because it's less than 1000. So please make more videos, and we can also give the count as well, as you may have learned it in my previous video. Just say it like you have dollar followed by curly bracket and subscriber count subscriber, then you hit run. You can see the result, please make more videos, you have 500 subscriber. So this is the result keyword, if else, and this val is also the result keyword in the Kotlin programming. When you have some conditional statement like this, you can use it. I guess you get the notion how to use if else. Let me also give you more example. If your subscriber count is equal to maybe 1001, you get a silver button. Otherwise sometimes you may have a condition like, else if subscriber count is greater than 2000, then you may say it like you got platinum button. Otherwise if the condition doesn't meet, then you can say it like please try again. So when I run it, you'll see in the log, because you have 500 subscriber, let me just change it to 2001 and hit run. As you can see over here, the condition has met, and it has printed you got the platinum button, because you have more subscriber count 2001. And that's the notion of how to use if else condition. Alright, let's move forward. Kotlin has given you the another conditional statement, which is called when statement. When is the special keyword in Kotlin to use for conditional statement, and for those who are coming from another programming language, it is the replacement for switch case. In Kotlin we write when keyword, and then we put the bracket, and inside it we pass the argument. Just pass the subscriber count, this is the subject to evaluate, and then we type curly bracket, then we give the condition. Alright, let's say if your subscriber is between 0 to 100, then you can log it like you have just started your journey. In Kotlin there is a special keyword to check the condition in between, in the range, that is in keyword, in from 0 to 100, and then you log, and in from 101 then 2000, then you can log it like log.I test you have reached more followers 1001 to 5000. you are eligible for platinum button. If some condition doesn't meet, and at the end go to the last and it will print out the else statement. Log.I, you are a pro. Thanks. Hit run button again and you will see you are eligible for platinum button because my subscriber count is let me see 2001. Alright, this is the conditional statement in Kotlin. Let's explore more. Let me type some composable function. Just follow me. Type one, so result, just put @ and composable. Alright, it will accept the subscriber count which is of integer type. Then I'll just use the component from the Android Jetpack compose. Don't worry about this function and these components. I'm just giving you a hint how you can use it in Android for the future use, or in the future classes when I use Jetpack compose for Android development, and I will talk about it. Alright, I'll just copy one of the condition from above, just paste it, and I will just say text, you got the silver button, text, you got the platinum button, and when all the condition doesn't meet, then you can say it like please try again. Alright, let me add one more text. YouTube result. Don't worry about this function and this component I have used. I just want to show you how we can use it in Android. We will talk more on this when we reach to the Android series. Also, we can use the same to make an app in iOS as well when we reach the Compose Multiplatform. Okay, it will show your text in column wise. That's it. That's what this function does, and it checks some condition over here that we have learned before. So let's use it. Set content. To show the content in Android, you need to use this function set content, and you just write show result subscriber count equal to subscriber count. It accepts this parameter subscriber count, and this subscriber count is coming from over here. If you just control or command click on it, then it will take you over there, and it comes from here, right? So once this function run, and it will display this text. Let's run it. Okay, you can see you got a platinum button over here. You can see here over here it just looks mess, so I'm just gonna fix that. Modifier equal to modifier the size, field max size, and the vertical arrangement center and alignment center horizontally. Then when I run this, it will show it in the center, I guess. That's how you run it in Android. So let's make a little bit bigger. Font size is maybe 18.sp. Then I'll run it. YouTube result, you got platinum button. How this is working, it is just you created a variable and you just pass your subscriber count to this function, and it will check if this condition has met or not. It goes to this condition, it will print out this text. Now you can see how you can use your if else condition, and also you can use the when condition. You just try it. Alright, let's summarize our code. We have learned about the conditional statement, and in Kotlin we can use if else, and when, all these are the result keyword for the conditional statement. And for those who are coming from another languages, it is the replacement for switch case statement. In Kotlin we use when, and to show some content we have used our logs, and also we have shown it in Android screen as well. Using this composable function, we have created the column and some component to put inside it, and we have shown the output. YouTube result, you got the platinum button. Now if you want to share your Android application, you can just go to this menu, build, and just go to build app APKs and build. Just go to build APK, and it will run some Gradle tags. It will build your APK. The full form of APK is application package, and it is just a file which the Android runs. Well, if you're coming from the Windows world, when you see .exe file, it's just the installer, and in Linux .sh, and in Android it's called APK, which is the full form for application package. You just go over here and you hit the locate, and you just put your .apk file inside your mobile storage, and then click on it, and it will give you the option to install it, and your app will run. When your app will run, it will show this YouTube result. You got platinum. Alright, we have reached to the end of the session. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel, and thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.